Hi, I'm grateful, Ted. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate it. And this week we're going to focus on the Portland Japanese garden. One of the things that happens when I do these vlogs is I tend to use two, three, sometimes four cameras. I think this week I used three different cameras. And the one that I used to talk to, the one I'm using right now, for this particular episode, whatever happened, I guess I hit a button accidentally because there wasn't any audio when I talked to you. So you're not going to see me talking to you, and that's probably going to be fine with a lot of you out there. But it's a really nice place if you like being serene, if you like good art. There was an art show that just started there, and we got a lot of the art that's around it. So come on, let's go look at it. Let's have a good time. And again, thanks for being here. This is a place I really like. It's very meditative. I could see myself sitting here meditating for all day, except for the crowds, of course. Now, last time we came through here, this tree didn't have any leaves on it at all, if I recall correctly. This is very different from the art that was in here last time we were here. It was more sculpture type art. Some of you may remember the vlog I did on what I was calling the most photographed tree in the world, and that was here at the Portland Japanese Garden. And you can go back and you can look at that vlog. At that time it didn't have any leaves on it. Since then I've found two other trees that say they're the most photographed tree in the world, so do what you will. But I do know that in the fall, when the leaves start turning, and they haven't quite started turning on this one yet, that there's a huge line to get photographs of this tree from down underneath, looking through it. So that was the Portland Japanese Garden. If you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back because you deserve it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And we'll see what we have next week. And we will see you next week.